You grow.
My name's Peter. I'm Olivia.
I also know that I'm not the easiest guy to get to know. It's always been easier for me to keep people at arm's length. It's actually something that I think we have in common. I care about you.
You grow. You grow like totally.
You are not my father, and she is not my mother.
From the inside.
My stepfather did this.
Destroy
It's
everything
me.
through.
I'm natural. I do
Destroy
things to her.
from the
And
inside.
then you can try and change her. You make him stop hating me.
You flow through the inside.
Maybe I'm just incapable of being vulnerable.
You kill from the inside.
Olivia!
I wonder if I'm allowed ever to see.
There's just nothing that's
I
familiar.
wonder if I'm allowed to ever be free. You sound so you
You have to come back. Because you belong with me. Please, I don't belong here! When I was over there, I thought that I want what you want.
I wonder if I'm allowed just ever to